Não se joga, a não se joga. A não se joga. A não só joga.
I know. There's lots of locked door. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that. Is it locked? Yes. Are you sure? I hope so.
Não se joga, a não se joga. A não se joga. A não só joga.
I know. There's lots of locked door. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that. Is it locked? Yes. Are you sure? I hope so. Oh my gosh.
Again. Chen has been bitten and mauled, but he's so out of it, he still doesn't try to get away. And this king of the jungle wants another piece of him. Officials decide to tranquilize the big cats. The zoo's chief vet aims his dart gun. Then he fires. But two of the other shooters miss their marks. Fearful Chen's running out of time before a fatal attack. They resort to the fire hose. And it's up to the men with the blowguns to bring the cats down. Right here, a dart from a blowgun hits the big male. He runs out of sight, right into his cage. But the female is still a threat. Suddenly, she makes a move that frightens everyone. She charges right at Chen. But the high-pressure fire hose scares her off. Finally, cops see an opportunity. They beg Chen to come out. It's a tense negotiation, but Chen heeds their pleas. And he limps toward the service entrance and safety.
Antonio! There's one right there!